Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we will discuss on LeetCode problem number 976, which is largest parameter triangle. So in this problem, we have given array of integers and we need to return the largest parameter of a triangle with choosing any three of integers as the triangle length, right? If it is impossible to form any triangle, then we will just return it as 0. Now to solve this problem, we first need to understand one property of a triangle, which is sum of any two sides must be greater than third side. That means if A plus B must be greater than C, similarly B plus C must be greater than A, and C plus A must be greater than B. Right? Now if I am saying that if I have this condition like A is less than equals to B, B is less than equals to C, then if A plus B is greater than C, then automatically B plus C will be greater than A and C plus A will be greater than B, right? How? Because this A plus, if I am replacing this A with C, right, to meet the second criteria, I am actually increasing its value, right? If I replace A with C, that means its sum will get increased since C is greater than A. And similarly, on this RHS side, I am replacing C with A, right? So this value will get decreased. So here, when I'm going from first condition to second condition, I'm actually increasing its LHS value, and I'm decreasing the RHS value. So automatically, since this itself is greater than this, then here I'm decreasing its value, and here I'm increasing its value in the second condition. So it will automatically be true only, right? And similarly for this third criteria as well. So I can say that A plus B, if this is the criteria of our side lengths, and if this condition is satisfied, then this will automatically get satisfied. So I hope you get an idea. What we will do, we will just loop the sorted terms array, right? So we have the nums array like this. We just sort the nums array. Now we have the nums array like this, right? So we will choose the maximum C value, which can be nums of n minus 1, right? Now I need to choose the A and B. Now remember, I first need to satisfy this condition and I need to return the largest parameter as well. So I will choose the A and B as adjacent only, right? Because I need to return the largest parameter value and I need to satisfy this condition as well. So this should be maximum, and when it will be maximum, when A and B will be the maximum. That means A and B will be the adjacent to C value. So that means A and B should be nums of n minus 2 comma nums of n minus 3, right? Now if this value is satisfied, that if A plus B is greater than C, then we can just simply return A plus B plus C, because we have chosen the maximum value and this is the only largest parameter triangle that we can return here. Else, if not, then we will try with second max value of C. Then check second max value of C and so on. Right? Why we are not choosing other value of A and B? Since we have already considered the maximum value of A and B here, and that itself is not satisfying this criteria. So if we will choose other A and B values, then that sum will automatically be lower, right? As in when we go to the left side, the sum will get decreased only. Then that condition will never going to satisfy, right? Because since the maximum value itself is not satisfying this condition, then how can the left possible value will satisfy the condition, right? So that's why we are saying that if this value, right, if this adjacent value itself is not able to satisfy this criteria, then no other value of A and B can satisfy this particular condition for this particular C. Hence, we will go with the next possible C, the next maximum value of C, right? And then we will check that again. And if we just keep iterating C value and we don't find any value which will satisfy this condition, that means we cannot form any triangle and we will just simply return 0. I hope you get this. If not, then please do try to solve this by taking any examples. And let's go to code this logic. So what we will do, we will first just simply sort this nums array. And as we discussed, we will go for C value from largest to second largest and then so on. So int I is equals to nums dot size minus 1, I is greater than equals to 2, I minus minus, right? Our C will be equals to nums of I, B will be equals to nums of I minus 1, and E will be equals to nums of I minus 2. Now we will check if A plus B is greater than C, then we will just simply return this as a parameter value, which is A plus B plus C. If not, then we will again check the another C value and so on, right? And if no condition is satisfying this triangle property, then we will just simply return the 0 here. Okay, let's try to run the test cases. Our test cases are accepted. Now let's try to submit this. Okay, this is also passed. So that's how we solve this problem. Now let's understand the time complexity here. So the sorting will take the time complexity of O of n log n, and this loop will take only O of n. So our overall time complexity will be O of n log n. Okay, yeah, this is a very easy level problem. I hope you understand this. If not, then please try to solve this particular logic with some examples and please do code by yourself. If you like my video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.